Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. We got a Backdraft Cobra here with a Ford Motorsports 427 making 535 horsepower. It's got a 5-speed in it. The car is amazing and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on this little Cobra. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out. Now this car is built in South Africa, so they assemble the whole body there, they paint it, they take care of everything, and then when it gets here to the States, they put the motor and trans in it. Now the paint is phenomenal, slick as can be, and I love the color. I mean, this color looks like it's turned on, it looks electric, and yeah, 535 horsepower in this little car. You can see those stainless steel headers all polished up. It's got the true knockoffs on it, just like they did when they raced these cars. Now we got a 4-point harness in the seats. The carpeting looks great. They've actually upholstered the dash also. All the gauges are looking good. It's got the wood steering wheel. It's got the 5-speed shifter in there. The roll bar looks like this is chromed up. We got good looking taillight lenses here, and trims look good. The bumperettes look good. You got a little bit of a trunk here, so you can get a small set of clubs in there, a couple lawn chairs when you go out to the car show, all ready to go. Of course, it's got the signature Cobra gas fill that everyone has. When you look down the side of it, man, she's straight. They do a beautiful job building these cars. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. We own this car. Right now we've got about 230 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. Now we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month, and I'm in charge of picking every one of those out. So I'm gonna help you pick out your dream car. Let's take this badass Backdraft for a drive. Big horsepower, cool ass car, ready to go. Now we can deliver this Backdraft anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you. It's real easy. We can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. No problem whatsoever. We can also help you out with financing. No problem whatsoever. Look down here on the dash. Everything you need down here. All the gauges looking good. Car's sounding awesome. Going through the gears, awesome. Brakes feel good, steering feels great. Trans feels awesome. That's one of our cars up in front of us. The guy's out test driving it. Now we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, but we do love to have our customers come in and visit. So please, if you have the time and the means to come in and visit, please do. We would love to have you come in and check this car out in person. Come in and check out this Camaro. Whatever you've got, come on in. We do buy between 40 and 50 new cars. If you've got something for sale, if your neighbor's got something for sale, call Tom. We'd love to have you come in. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna take a look at all that horsepower. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your muscle car investment. We got about 235 cars in stock. We've always got new stuff coming in. These Backdrafts are amazing vehicles. Handle like they're on rails. Here's our shop here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We're gonna get it up on the lift for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Backdraft Cobra now, and it is just as clean under here. You guys all know this is all BMW suspension under here. Everything looking clean. It does have disc brakes back here, of course. The frame looking beautiful. The paintwork, everything looks great. TKO 5-speed. It's got a hydraulic clutch, removable cross member here. Looks like it's got stainless headers. We got our 427 Ford Power up front. Strut suspension up front from that same BMW. Good looking electric fan, rack and pinion steering, and it is manual rack and pinion steering. It's got a big sway bar up here. I don't see any rash on the nose up here whatsoever. Good looking sets, wheels and tires here. These are the true knockoffs, just like what they ran on the race cars back in the days, but we got low profile tires here. See if I can find the size. We got 245/40 17s here. And again, there's those polished up stainless headers. And right there's where the music's coming out. And we got a lot more rubber back here. We have got 315 35 17s, same good looking knockoffs, and those tire wires help keep those things from coming loose, but you don't have to worry. They will not come loose. I'll tell you, when you get ready to take one of these off, you'll know it takes some muscle to get them babies off. Now let's get under the hood and check out that 427. All right, under the hood here, this is exactly what you want. You got a 427 stroker. That's a 351 base motor. This is a Ford Motorsports motor. It is 535 horsepower. We got power brakes. We got a 4-barrel Holley on here. It's got vacuum secondaries. Looks like an aluminum water pump, chromed up alternator, overflow tanks all chromed up. Everything about this thing is nice and clean. Beautiful valve covers, air cleaner, firewall stainless, everything looking sweet under here. I tell you, they build one awesome car, guys. This car is a blast to drive, making 535 horsepower. We got the 5-speed, the independent rear. She is a hoot. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.